Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. Now if you like our content, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates at the earliest. Now a couple of days back, Nomura Singapore had performed a buy transaction on a Microcap stock with a very small transaction. We had reported that to you via a video that we had shared on our channel. Now they have performed a follow-on buying action of the same company, which is a lesser known microcap, on both the NSE and the Bombay Stock Exchange. They bought 3 lakh shares of the company at rupees 73.99 on the NSE and 2 lakh shares of the company at rupees 74 on the BSE. Now needless to say that this company has already appreciated since the first video that we shared. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is GSS Infotech Limited, which is available at 73.90 and the symbol for it is GSS. Now GSS Infotech Limited is engaged in computer programming, consultancy and related activities. The company operates through the software services segment. The company is specialized in remote infrastructure management services, virtualization solutions and application management services. If you were to look at the 1-year chart, it's been on a consistently beautiful uptrend towards the latter half of the year, prior to which it was literally consolidating. Of late, over the past few days, this stock has literally blasted. The market cap of the company is 125.16 crores, which means that the company is a microcap one. The company is not profitable and hence the price to earnings ratio and the EPS is not applicable here. The book value is 62, which means that the company is available at a relatively cheap 1.19 price to book ratio. The industry PE here is 21.50 and if you were to look at the promoter holding, it's low at 12.82. The company also did not pay out any dividends. Now these kind of transactions which Nomura is undertaking are very small for their portfolio, so it may not materially impact their performance much. So friends, please don't consider this to be stock recommendations on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. And this is all what we wanted to show you for today. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so.